Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I'm also fine. Thank you so much, guys. And as you all know, yesterday we will solve the exercise 2A problem number 1 and 2. And today we will solve the problem number 3 and 4. Okay? So let's start. Do open your book and copies and see how to solve the problems. Question number 3 is evaluate. Evaluate. The first part of evaluate is 5 upon 9 minus 2 multiplying 3 upon 5 multiplying 3 upon 5 raised to 0. Okay? And this sum we use the law number 4. Okay? Because there are different rational numbers. Okay? So according to law number 4, A upon B multiplying C upon D raised n is open in terms A upon B raised n multiplying C upon D raised n. Okay. Write all values. 5 upon 9 minus 2 multiplying 3 upon 5 minus 3 multiplying 3 upon 5 raised 0. Okay. So as we know, when the exponent power is 0, the value of the rational number is 1. Okay. So we write it like that. 5 upon 9 raised minus 2 multiplying 3 upon 5 raised minus 3 multiplying with 1. Okay. Now we write it in the different format. 5 raised minus 2 is multiplying 3 minus raised minus 3 upon 9 raised minus 2, because we know the exponent power is on both numerator and denominator. So we write it in the open terms 5 upon minus. That's clear? Now we resolve the powers of 5. In the upper side, there is the power of 5 is minus 2, and the lower side the power of 5 is minus 3. So we resolve it. 5 minus 2, cut it the 5 minus 3. So here is only the power minus 1 on the 5. Okay? Left. Now we open these. 3 minus 3 multiplying minus 3 multiplying minus 3 multiplying 1 upon minus 9 multiplying minus 9 multiplying minus 5. Okay? Because all powers are in minus, so we write the values of their numbers in minus format. Okay? First of all, we will cancel or resolve the numbers with each other. We divide the minus 9 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Okay? The minus sign are cancelled both sides. Okay? So here 3 left. Again minus sign cancel both sides, and 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Okay? Now here We have the minus 3. So we first of all we cancel the powers. Minus cancel, and 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now you have 1 upon 1 multiplying 3 multiplying 5. So you have 1 upon 15, or you have the answer 15. Clear? Clear to all? Anyone have the doubt? So please ask me. No issue. So you can solve the question number 3 easily now. Okay. Now let's do the question number 4. Question number 4 is also evaluate. The first part of this question is big bracket, medium bracket, minus 2 upon 3, medium bracket close, raised 2, and big bracket close, raised minus 2. Okay. Now we follow the law number. Now we follow the law number 3. So, according to law number 3, big bracket, medium bracket, A upon B, medium bracket raised M, big bracket closed raised N is open in the term A upon B, M, N. Okay. Same we do here. We place the value of given rational number here. Minus 2 upon 3, medium bracket raised to minus 2. Okay. So we have minus 2 upon 3 and 2. The exponents power are multiplying with each other like m and. Okay. Clear? Now we write it in the power multiplying and convert into the 4. 2 multiply 2 is 4. So we have the power minus 4 now. Okay. So minus 2 upon 3 is minus 4 equal to, we change this number in reciprocal. Okay. So our power and convert into the plus, and the number is changed in the reciprocal. 3 upon minus 2 raised 4. Now open it. 3 upon minus 2 को हम यहाँ पर ओपन करेंगे. कितने टाइम्स हम इसको लिख सकते हैं? 3 raised 4 we write here now. 3 raised 4 upon minus 2 raised 4. Now open it. 3 multiplying 3 multiplying 3 multiplying 3 and minus 2 multiplying minus 2 multiplying minus 2 multiplying minus 2. Okay. So solve it. Give me the answer. One more thing we can do with this sum is, when we need the all answer is come into the plus sign, as we make the reciprocal here, we make the reciprocal because we know there are no denominator in the minus sign. So we do it like that. Minus 3 upon 2 raised 4, because we know no denominator in the minus sign. Okay. Now we open it. Minus 3 raised 4 upon 2 raised 4. So here is 3 raised 4 upon 2 raised 4. Okay. Multiplying 3 4 times. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 upon 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are Pratchett. 20. Very good. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Okay. So we have the answer 81 upon 60. Clear? It's easy to do now. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you all understand everything, or do complete your exercise in fair copies, and we will meet tomorrow again. Thank you so much, and also subscribe, like, share our school channel. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.